Hey guys, we're an adventure with Nick and Rachel, and we bring you the best places to hike and explore in the Southeast and more. And today we are exploring South River Falls in the Shenandoah National Park. The hike is a 3.3 mile circuit, and at 83 feet tall, that makes South River Falls the third highest waterfall in the park. So let's go check it out.
So yesterday when we were doing that first hike, Dark Hollow Falls, I was trying to get close to the water and the rocks are really slippery, and I'm not used to these shoes yet, so I'm not real sure where to place like the grip and stuff like on like rocks. I was hiking those other shoes for over a year, but these, I put my foot in the wrong spot and I went sliding into the water. These are waterproof, but my foot went directly under the water, so all the water went into my shoe and completely soaked my shoe. I'm just trying to tell you the importance of like wearing wool socks, because if I was wearing cotton socks with those, my feet today would be just like blistered up and everything. Not a single problem. I dried out the shoe overnight and my feet feel completely fine.
And by the end of the day, your sock was dry.
Yeah, I actually hiked, my sock was dry, my shoe was still a little bit damp, but yeah, so it's definitely worth investing in some good wool socks. I know some people look at them and are like, oh, $23 a pair, or however much they are. And they're like, I ain't paying that much, but they're 100% worth it.
So this trail is one that you are allowed to bring pets on. Just make sure that they are on a leash and that you bring little baggies to pick up after them to keep the trail clean. So if you wanted to do a waterfall hike with your pet, this is a good one to do it with. Hey guys, so if you didn't know, we are creators on the NewsBreak app as well. We upload videos and write articles over there as well. So if you are on the NewsBreak app, please consider giving us a follow. Just search An Adventure with Nick and Rachel. If you don't have the app, we have a link below for you to download it. And if you're a creator here on YouTube, we also have a link below for you to become an affiliate as well. So if you didn't know, Shenandoah National Park became a national park on December 26, 1935. And we didn't plan it this way, but we ended up coming here on the anniversary of the park, December 26th. So that was pretty cool. We wanted to share that with you guys. Hey guys, quick reminder, if you like this video, please make sure to hit that like button. It really does help our channel out. And if you'd like to support our channel further, we have this awesome thanks button, and it's a way to support our channel monetarily if you so wish. Thank you guys for all of your support. We really appreciate it. Let's get back to it. So at the start of the trail, you're kind of going downhill and you do some switchbacks. But then at the bottom of the trail, you're hiking along this beautiful stream and you get all the water noise. It's super peaceful. It's a really enjoyable hike. I really liked it. It's not like too crazy rocky or anything like that. It's nice on your feet. We've only seen 2 people so far on this trail, and it's a Tuesday, so just keep that in mind with how busy it can get. So it's been super peaceful. I really like it. So we made it to the first overlook of South River Falls. It is gorgeous, as you can see behind me. It's worth it if the leaves are off the trees. I can imagine you couldn't really see it if the leaves are on the trees. But we're going to continue down the trail because you can continue down and see it from the base of the falls. And from what we've heard, it's definitely worth it. So after the first overlook, where you can see the top of the falls coming down, you can follow this gravel road down here, and you can see where the bottom of the falls kind of like tapers off into the stream again. But if you take this rock stairs, the blue blaze trail up, you can go and see the base of the falls.